Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many Kotlin developers might face. The problem arises when creating a synchronized set using collections.synchronized set t, mutable set of t. The issue is that the synchronized set has its own implementation of forEach, which is synchronized, but it differs from the Iterable.forEach method, which is not synchronized. This can lead to unexpected behavior in our code. So, how do we solve this problem and get back the synchronized version of forEach? Let's dive into the solution. The solution to our problem involves casting the SynchronizedCollection to java.lang, iterable, and then calling the forEach method on it. By doing this, we ensure that we are using the synchronized version of forEach provided by the SynchronizedCollection class. It may seem a bit ugly, but it gets the job done. By following this approach, we can guarantee that our forEach operation is synchronized and thread-safe, avoiding any potential concurrency issues in our code. In the synchronized version of forEach provided by a SynchronizedCollection, the method is implemented to synchronize on a mutex before executing the forEach operation on the underlying collection. This ensures that the iteration is thread-safe and prevents concurrent modification exceptions. By understanding how this synchronization mechanism works, we can confidently use the forEach method on our synchronized collection without worrying about thread safety. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the problem of conflicting forEach implementations in Kotlin synchronized set by casting the collection to java.lang, iterable, and utilizing the synchronized version of forEach. We can ensure that our iteration is thread safe. Remember, when working with synchronized collections, it's crucial to use the appropriate synchronization mechanisms to avoid potential concurrency issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. See you next time.